If you're starting a business in Maryland, the first step is to register it with the State Department of Assessments and Taxation, or SDAT. You can do this online through the Maryland Business Express website. Once approved, you'll get an SDAT ID number, which is used to identify your business in the state. Even if you're running a sole proprietorship or general partnership, you'll still need that ID number to open business accounts. The registration fee depends on your business type, but it's usually between $100 and $170. You'll also need to pick a resident agent. This is someone who lives in Maryland and can accept legal or tax documents on your behalf. It can be you, someone you trust, or a professional service. Finally, you may want to get a federal employer identification number from the IRS. If you're a sole proprietor with no employees, it's not always required, but it's useful for opening a business bank account and will be needed if you hire staff. That's the basic process. Thanks for watching.